Welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, today's video will again going to be very important because as you all can see, we have a guest on our channel. His name is Vishal. He's one of our subscriber guys, and he recently got shortlisted with Infosys company for the position of system engineer. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Vishal for his achievements. Vishal, really welcome. I really want to welcome you on my channel, and congratulations for your achievement.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. And actually, it's my honor to be with you channel to share my experience with all students, not only from my state, but all over the India who is aspirant to join the Infosys or the other MNC companies. So it's my honor to be with you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. And really, we are glad that you came here and you're sharing your experience with us. This will really going to motivate all other candidates also, and you will share all your tips, all the interview tips that being a mechanical candidate. Guys, Vishal is belongs to mechanical branch and he cracked IT company. So we're going to discuss all his preparation strategies, his interview tips, how he able to do that. Okay, so please do watch the video till the end. Don't miss the video. बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो ये होने वाला है गाइस एंड बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स हमें मिलने वाली है. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट. Vishal, please give a brief introduction about yourself.
Actually, my name is ma'am Vishal Subhash Rajore, and I have completed my bachelor's of engineering in the specialization of mechanical in the year of 2019. Then after later on, I got placed from my college in the core company mechanical, but I did not join because I was a defense aspirant and I did study for 2 years for the defense examination. And I unfortunately I did not clear the defense exam, or some of the results are still pending. So I felt that the 2 years gap is more if you want to join a MNC company. So if you are doing for competitive exam, your plan B should be ready. And my plan B was to join a MNC company where I can explore myself as well as I can explore my knowledge with such a MNC company where I can start my corporate career. Right. So that's why I just study hard for that, and I am in front of you as a selected candidate of Infosys, and I am going to join the Infosys on the 26th day of July 2021.
Okay, great. So 26th of July, he's going to join Infosys. Really, congratulations, Vishal. Yes, Infosys is really a good company to work with, especially for freshers. Yes. And if you belong to a non-IT branch, yes, then again, it's a good company for you. Okay, so Vishal, we would like to know ki, when you applied for this opportunity, like is it off campus or on campus?
Yes, ma'am. One of my friend shared the link of advertisement of Infosys on our college group. Then we all applied for the same, and we got an examination schedule on the 1st of June. Okay. And online test of aptitude was conducted on the 13th of June. Right. Then after 2-3 days, we got a result of aptitude test. Then on 20th of June, interview was take place. And after 8 days, on the 29th of June, we got an offer letter. Means some of students get a survey mail, but I directly got an offer letter from the Infosys company, and my joining date is 26th day of July 2021. Okay,
great. So what do you think, Vishal? How you did your preparation for online test? Like we have 5 sections in Infosys examination.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think? Which section is a little bit difficult for non-IT candidates?
Yes. Actually, ma'am, test is very important. Okay, if you want to join any MNC company, the aptitude test is very important because it is the only first way to enter in the process. Right. Okay. And overall procedure, if we take it 100%, then weightage of the aptitude and all other tests are the nearly 60 to 70%. Interview is matter, but the test is more matter. Right. Some of students say that it is a test is very moderate. Some say it is very tough. Some say it is very simple. It is according to student to student. Some get
according to your preparation. It depends.
Actually, some felt that some students say that it is very easy, and how I can it is. I felt that it is very tough. So it depends. Some students do their study in college.
Right. Yes. So how you did your preparation for pseudocode section? Because remaining sections are same for all the candidates.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, we have to be more understandable with the basics of programming, which we have already learned in the fundamental programming language, which is a subject in the first year of every branches.
Right.
The motto was
All
given
branches
that
it is compulsory.
yes. So we have to just go through that. Some have spread rumors that non-IT student cannot crack the pseudocode section, and it is actually happened, ma'am. Lot of my students who has very good marks in their academic, who got very good marks in other section also in that exam, but they didn't clear the pseudocode section and puzzle, mainly pseudocode section.
Yeah, actually,
So
because non-IT candidates face that issue because they are not that much prepared with the programming languages.
Yes. Yes. They felt that Infosys gives a very high level of coding, but keep remember that they give a very simple, means that might be you learn from that FPL subject. So we have to be very your fundamental concept should be clear to crack the pseudocode section, and do not be afraid of the rumors that non-IT student cannot crack this pseudocode section.
No, it is a completely rumor, Vishal, because all my subscribers knew this thing, and even you knew because you also are a subscriber of my channel. I used to upload so many interview experiences of selected candidates, especially those that belong to non-IT branches.
Yes.
आपने अगर मेरा चैनल चेक किया हो तो गाइज आप देखना मोस्टली जो इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस है वो नॉन आईटी कैंडिडेट्स के हैं मेरे चैनल पर, बिकॉज आई वांट टू गिव यू ऑल मोटिवेशन कि इफ यू बिलोंग टू नॉन आईटी नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन क्रैक आईटी कंपनी. And I used to share this thing, and even Vishal belongs to mechanical branch, but still he crack IT company. So guys, you can get this thing very clear ki it's not like that ki non-IT candidate cannot crack an IT company. Okay, you just need to work on your basic fundamentals. Okay, pseudocode, to be very frank, Vishal, मेरे पास काफी interview experiences आते हैं, and based on that I can tell you this thing कि pseudocode इतना difficult नहीं था. Means written test ज़्यादा difficult नहीं होता है guys, because they'll just check your capabilities. तो इतना तो आपको प्रिपेयर करना ही होगा if you are preparing for MNC company, right?
Yes.
So it's not that much difficult guys. अगर आप हैं किसी भी ब्रांच से बिलोंग करते हैं, अगर आप थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड ऑलरेडी आई हैव शेयर्ड ऑल द डिटेल्स ऑन माय चैनल. आप कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, चेकअप कर सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है. सो आफ्टर क्लियरिंग दिस ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, विशाल, व्हाट अबाउट योर इंटरव्यू राउंड? मींस हाउ व्हाट्स योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इंटरव्यू?
Yes, ma'am. After clearing my aptitude test, I was little bit confused about what question will be asked in interview, and I just go through the YouTube channel and I get to know some videos of interview experiences, and that time I get to know about job for sure, and I saw that some all my doubts are here. Means all experiences, all questions that you already conducted the selected conducted session for the selected candidate, and that really helps me a lot. Not only me, but lot of candidates. My friend also, I just share all the videos with that who is going to give an interview, and that really boosts my confidence and gives me a very that question which is asked. Just I want to share something from this platform that, ma'am, in interview, means Infosys, there is 70 to 75% the question is same.
Right.
Answer is also same, but the way by which you are giving to answer that question, that is only selected you, because in aptitude test they have already checked your knowledge. Right. So they just want to check your confidence and communication skill. Right. As they are providing training. Okay, they just I want to clear one thing that if you want to join as a non-IT student, as you are from electrical or ENTC branch, there is separate training session for the all candidates. Means if you are belonging to mechanical, there will be a batch of mechanical student and will provide you to a separate session. Okay. So do not get afraid of the programming and all those things. If you know how to on and off the computer, that is sufficient to join the Infosys.
Okay, great. So it means on and off karna to I think sabhi ko aata hai yahan par. So guys, you can see, and that's why I used to conduct these sessions with the selected candidates, because उनका एक अपना experience होता है with company, right? Because they used to attend the online sessions with the company after their selections, and they knew what will going to be happen during the training. Okay, so according to Vishal, guys, this is not a difficult one thing, and किसी भी branch को आप belong करते हैं, you can join IT company and training आपको completely मिल जाएगा Infosys से. ठीक है, that's great. So what about your interview questions, Vishal? क्या-क्या questions आपसे किए गए थे?
that is most important question what I asked in the interview. Okay, just the interview is very comfortable. Interviewer is very make us very comfortable. Means
Okay.
at the starting they will talk like a friend, but we don't have to be more comfortable with interviewer. We have to be with in our limit.
Right.
Sometimes it happens
That's
that
true.
interviewer makes us more comfortable, and we just go behind to our comfortable one. So
Right.
starting question will be like to make you more comfortable. So make comfortable with the interview session. Keep remember that online interview will be only for 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay.
They will start the interview, means generally it happens that they will start with interview like your introduction, totally based on your resume. What happens generally, mistake the candidate, what mistake do that they upload their resume, but they do not study their resume. Means they some copy some thing from others resume and they just copy paste. So we have to be very thorough about your resume. What your hobby? Some student say that my hobby is listening music, swimming. Some of candidate interviewer ask that you or hobby is swimming. Which type of swimming you like?
Okay.
Your hobby is listening music. Which type of music you like to listen?
Right.
Which is your favorite singer? That is very important to go thoroughly with resume first. Okay, then you can what mistake generally candidate do that they just, I will give you an example that one of my friend written that I have be the part of 2 days IoT seminar for defense. Okay, attended 2 days IoT for defense seminar. So interviewer, what interviewer asked that there will be what you did in 2 days of that seminar, who conducted that seminar, what is IoT, what is IoT for defense, what which thing already used in defense with the help of IoT. So that will be a question from only one sentence. If you say that I am attended for only 2 days, they will ask you what you learn in 2 days. Okay, so be very specify with your resume. And if you know about the programming language, then just written down. I was written that I know only the basics of C programming. Actually, I have some experience with the IT section as I was a cyber ambassador for Nasik Police. So I was having some IT experience. But what I written down, I have basic knowledge of
C.
When interviewer come to technical question, they ask you have written that you have knowledge of C programming, basics of C programming. Before I'm going to ask you question, you just tell me that what you know from C programming. I started that, sir, I have only know little bit knowledge of C programming, but I shared all the complicated concept of C programming. Sir say that you say that you have only little bit knowledge and you share such a big things with us.
So it means,
So
I just want to tell you guys ki, you have to be very specific when you're mentioning anything in your resume, because the interviewer will going to ask you any question based on your resume, right? So whatever terms we are mentioning in your resume, we should be prepared with that thing, because they will going to ask you in deep. It may be happen. It may happen actually with candidates because they have your resume only with them. So they're going to ask you anything from your resume, right? So you have to prepare your resume very nicely, guys. The interviewer will going to ask you questions based on such things. Interviewer asked Vishal about C language, his deep knowledge about the C language. So that's great. Then what happens in your interview?
Yes.
Then how was the interview like? Remaining anything else questions? They asked you questions based on your project or something like that?
Asked a lot of many questions, but that was not related to technical. One thing that if they surely ask about your project. Okay, though you are from IT student or the mechanical student, they will ask you about the project. So presentation is very important thing while giving brief introduction about your project. Means we have to say that tell them that the biggest challenging part of our project was XYZ. Role of my role was in this project was this thing. Whether it is it is company sponsored, whether it is implemented in company or not, what benefits company. So we have to just go through point wise. That will be more specific to you also and interviewer also. That will not confuse and that will help you a lot, ma'am.
Okay.
Right. as you are mechanical student, why you want to join the IT company?
Right.
Means it is a common question for all non-IT
All
students.
the non-IT candidates.
We have to prepare. So
And this
my
question is
answer
really
was
important,
that,
Vishal.
yes, ma'am. My answer was that, sir, I want to work in the project such as a mechanical project of the Infosys. Like I give an example that Boeing is a mechanical client of the Infosys. So if I will get an opportunity to work in the Boeing company, so where I can use my graduation knowledge of from mechanical field and the training knowledge that will provide by the Infosys, that will help the company and as well as to explore my knowledge and self-development also. So that was my answer, that that both knowledge will be helped to company.
That's really important because they just want to check whether you're interested in IT company role or not. So that's great. Vishal, you shared all the details with us. Now the next question that comes here, most of the candidates are facing issues with the service agreement. So if you can share some details about the service agreement, how you get prepared your service agreement, from where you get prepared, and how you upload in the Launchpad. So if you can share a bit in brief.
Okay, ma'am. I will share all the confusions of the candidate, whether it is selected or not. First, after the interviewer, there is one link of the careerinfosys.com where you can check the status of your application. Means it is under process, under review. Means it is a process stages. Okay. Means if it is shows you that it is under review, then it is a lot of chances to getting offer letter. Then after you get, some student get directly survey mail. Okay, some student directly get an offer letter. I got directly offer letter without any survey mail. Okay, when we get an offer letter, they have all, they send us all the details like Launchpad. Launchpad, it is an app of Infosys where we have to just upload all the documents. They can verify. So there is also a lot of questions to how to upload that document. The lot of students do the mistakes that they said that some if the service, I will take you example of service agreement. Service, they provide you some draft of service agreement. We have to be printed it in on 200 rupees bond, and we have to upload it. So it is having 11 pages of bond. So if we combine all the pages, the PDF will be of 15 to 60 MB. So there is limitation of PDF size, that is 5 MB. So a lot of students do not go through these rules and regulations. We have to upload in 5 MB. So we have to make a PDF compressor and we have to upload. Keep remember that 5 MB is limit to upload the all documents. So we have to like this, and service agreement, it is of 12 months after the training. So they given us draft. We have to just fill up our all details and upload it on same. We have to go through. They give us all details like NSR. We have to National Skill Registry. We have to register on it. So we have to go through all. When you got selected, now just search a group on Telegram or something like Infosys Join 26. The group, there is already group some. So when you enter in group, the all students get communicate with each other and they're just trying to solve the question. So that's all, ma'am.
Great. So it's really great, Vishal, that you came here on our channel and share all your experiences with us. And really want to congratulate you on behalf of all my Job for Sure family that you're joining as a Infosys company from 26th of July. We were really glad that thing, and really congratulations. And Vishal, anything else if you want to share with my viewers, you can share.
Yes, just at the end, I just want to give some tips from not only from my knowledge but from my experiences. Okay, so first thing, when you are going to interview, just keep remember that well dressed. Okay, some students do just going with the casuals and t-shirt only. Just be well dressed. Your background should be good. Some students, they do not keep remembering that that things. So first impression is last impression. Keep remember that. Second thing, a lot of students having a fear, though it is having a good marks in their academics, though good having their knowledge. So they are just fear about the interview. So go through the mock interview. Like if you don't have any option for mock interview, you can stand in front of mirror. You can
practice
self-interview also. So so keep your resume beside you and make your own questionnaires of interview. Okay. and just give that trying to give answer of that all questions. That is second thing. If your friend is also working in Infosys, then take a mock interview. That is important. Third thing is that very important thing is that confidence and communication. It is a key to crack the Infosys. Your knowledge is matter, but confidence and communication is, they will give you some situations. Okay, they will give you some situation also that if this meeting is this interview is going on, if that will stop, what will happen? They will give such a situation. How you can tackle that situation, it is very important. Some student what do, they just mug up the all questions, means self introduction, why I hire you, what is your strong point, weak point, and the question the interviewer will ask some different questions, so the confidence get decreases. Okay, down.
So you don't have to mug up anything actually. You just need to prepare with all the knowledge, and you need to frame your own answers. That's the tip I always used to give you guys. Don't mug up, because the interviewer is more experienced person. Okay, so he'll check, get this thing very quickly. Yes, you have mug up all these things and you have copied someone else's answer. So you don't have to do that. Have your knowledge, use your skills, use your own brain, and frame your answers accordingly. So that's it's the most important thing, guys. So it's really great, Vishal.
And do not give the fake answers. It is okay.
Right. That's very important. You don't have to give fake answers.
If you don't know, say comfortably, sir, I am not aware about, or do not know anything about this. So they will understand that they do not have much expectation.
So that's not an issue actually.
Yes, yes.
So they're not expecting much from you guys, but yes, they want that you should be ready to learn new things, and you should have good confidence and communication skills. That is the really important thing to crack any interview. So great. Thank you so much, Vishal, that you shared so really important and valuable information with all of us. And we really want to wish you all the best for your career ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much that you came on our channel. And guys, please share this video with as many people as you can, because this will give them motivation and the important tips how they need to prepare themselves. Okay, the main motive to create such videos, such content, is that you get motivation to prepare for such IT companies and good MNC companies and crack the interviews. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel for all latest updates from my side, like live experiences and job updates, recruitment details, free certificate details, all the information I used to share on this channel just to help you guys. So please do subscribe to the channel and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you. We'll meet in another video with a new update. Bye-bye.